In the afternoon of trial of Letalvis Cobbins, jurors saw a real verbal sparring match between defense attorney Scott Green and Knox County's chief medical examiner, Dr. Darinka Mileusnic-Polchan.
I believe you told us before lunch, we know Miss Christian was still alive when she was placed into the trash can, correct?
From all the evidence collected, yes, that's the best explanation of all the findings on the body, yes.
We know from your extraction of Miss Christian's body from the trash can that there were 5 large garbage bags around her body, correct?
Yes.
Would it be a fair statement, doctor, that those garbage bags had to have been placed on her body while still alive before it went into that trash can?
Well, certainly the body was placed in the bags before it was placed in the can. So yes, by the power of deduction, we would say yes, she was still alive when put in the bags and in the can.
And so evidence that connects a person to those garbage bags is highly relevant evidence of who was involved in killing Channon Christian, correct?
Well, by the same conclusion is whoever is at that residence is responsible, because it's hard to believe that they would not notice here or witness something to the whole series of events that took place.
And of course, your statement that whoever was present at the house, it's up to the court to instruct this jury on what the law is, not you, doctor, correct?
Well, by the same token, it's not really appropriate to ask me a series of questions that took 10 minutes, who did it? That's not why I'm here. And I repeated 5 times, that's not why I'm here. I'm here to tell you what happened and how it happened. And that's why I'm a little bit perturbed by 10 minutes of questioning. You cannot tell who did what. No, I'm not here to tell you who did what. I'm here to tell you what the victims went through. I think if we're going to now split hairs, let's not continue questioning a position or asking me a question, who did what, and how important something at the scene is going to be. Every part of the team, every person who is a part of the team is going to be then able to answer certain questions, but that's not a question that I should be answering.
Why do you think it's splitting hairs for me to be asking you questions about what your examination suggests?
Well, because I'm being reprimanded for not answering the question. I don't know what the purpose of now 15 minutes of questioning who did what. As I said, I'm not here to tell you who did what. I'm here to tell you what the victims went through, how they suffered. And it took a long time to execute all these steps, from Mr. Newsom to Miss Christian. Whether one person did it, it's highly unlikely. How many? Is it 2 or 3? I cannot tell that. Who did it? I cannot tell that. So I hope I answered your question. I cannot tell that.
Okay.
Prosecution rested its case this afternoon after the medical examiner's testimony in that fiery cross-examination. The judge, rather, was told initially by Mr. Cobbins that he would not testify, but then late today he asked the judge if he could sleep on that decision.
I haven't completely made up my mind, but if I could sleep on it and give you an answer in the morning, would it be all right?
If you change your mind between now and 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, I'll let you change your mind.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
If he does not testify, then we expect to have closing arguments Saturday by noon or afternoon, and this case should be in the jury's hands by early afternoon or late afternoon Saturday.